Hello guys, so we're gonna do this nice ice effect very fast. So let's start from here. You have an ice text, so I put it on Arial black, and there's an ice background which I got from Google. You can just put ice background and you can have many options. So this one might even have more details, so try different things. So let's start. Go to image rotation and 90 clockwise, then press on the ice text and go to filter and then go to stylize, wind, and rasterize it, and okay, you would see some wind details here. You can add more, filter, wind, you can see more wind, and you can even add more, but I'm not gonna add that much. So let's go back and then flip it back, image rotation, I'm gonna flip it back. Okay, so let's continue from this document. I'm gonna remove the effects and put the fill back, and you can see that's how I was here. So let's continue from here. So I just removed the fill first. Okay, I'm gonna add the effects for now, just to go to the blending options. I'm gonna remove them from here, and I'm gonna show you how I put them. So first I added blend, bevel and emboss. I put it on emboss, smooth, and the depth 150, size 15, and the gloss contour I put it on this one here, and angle 45, 30 altitude, and linear dodge highlight mode and shadow mode on linear burn. I put these colors. This color is 2E4864. Okay, then I added a texture. The texture is from water. I added this image here, and I put it on 187 scale and -75 depth, and I added some shadows. The shadows, you can see I put it on multiply, 14 opacity, 16 distance, 10 spread, 7 size. Maybe you can add more opacity, it would look even better. Yeah, it would. And that's it. Thank you.